On behalf of Southwest Airlines and this flight crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Burbank. Please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened, seatbacks and tray tables in the full upright lung position, and all those carrying items stowed. Once we do come to a complete stop at the gate, please be cautious when opening those overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight, they could fall out. You may now use the cellular functions of your small portable electronic devices, but again, remain seated until we come to a complete stop at that gate. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, super easy, just check the TV monitors in the terminal.